Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, McCordsville, local and long distance movers near me. With our long distance moving service, you can relocate more than 50 miles away. We've learned to put our customers first and have built a loyal following as a result. We take care of our clients and their properties are safe within our insurance coverage. These plans take care of everything in case of the claim. Our exceptional reputation with the federal and state governments further protects our clients' interests. We have licensed drivers and movers on staff, and customer service is also the responsibility of these employees. We can also help you save money while ensuring that your possessions arrive in perfect condition if you're making a long distance move. Because of our honesty and trustworthiness, moving with us is a wonderful experience. Our long distance service is complemented with local moving services. However, our local moving costs are also quite inexpensive. The hourly costs range from $30 to $40. Regardless of how congested the city is, we always have a route out. We can also assist you in designing a relocation strategy that can expedite the process. An exact route may be planned by our team because they are familiar with the area. As a result, we're the most technologically advanced in the industry. In addition to local and long distance moving, our McCordsville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.